Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ito po si Benji Chitoro at welcome po sa September 20 edition ng The Stock Market Today. 96 days na lang, Pasko na. Ang ating special feature ay tungkol po sa mining, pero bagong lahat, unahin mo po muna natin ang ating mga headlines at ito po ay galing ng Video Securities. DENR asked miners to build 3 nickel processing plants. DOE says Philippines need 52 gigawatts of renewables to meet 2040 target. So dalawa po yun. Mula sa business world naman, diesel kerosene prices rise for the 11th straight week. Ito po yung pagtaas ng ating gasolina at diesel kahapon at 11 weeks na straight tumataas, and this is contributory to inflation. So all in all, ito po ay nagresulta ng 2 pesos per liter increase sa gasolina at 2.50 per liter sa diesel. Ngayon, from the second week of July up to the third week of September, yung ating presyo ng gasolina ay umakyat ng 11.85 per liter at sa diesel naman 17.30 at 15.94 naman sa kerosene. So yan po ay contributory sa ating inflation, no? Pero in spite of that, hindi pa rin po magtataas ng rates ang BSP. At dito naman po, government urged to take action on oil price hike. So, tignan po natin ang ating special feature. Ito po galing ng BDO-SEC. So, natin, fresh catalyst could support better prices. Coal and nickel prices seeing positive developments. Supply-demand dynamics impacting coal and nickel prices. So, mined commodities such as coal and nickel saw benchmark prices correct and normalize below their 2022 peaks due to pressures coming from both demand, ito yung slowing global outlook, and supply, increasing stockpile as global production ramps up. Coal prices aided by increasing China coal imports. So, meron pong demand from China, and nickel demand may improve as China steps up support for property sector. Ito po yung paggawa ng baterya, no? Due to the proliferation of global nickel supply as Indonesia boosted nickel production to meet the rising demand for electric vehicles batteries. So there is a reaffirmed buying for SCC and nickel at yan po ay titignan natin mamaya. And let's now go to the index. Ang index po natin ay bumaba. Nasa 6,041.04 or 6.93 points down. Pero ang net foreign selling po ay napakalaki, 1.02 billion. So, in the end, ito po ay nagresulta ng almost flat. Pero yung graph po or yung ating candlestick chart ay pababa. And yung next support level ay nandito po sa 5,700, no? Yan po. And then the most active stock is Aboitiz Power, followed by SM Prime Holdings, CNPF, and BDO. Yung first 3 po ay positive. Pero tingnan po natin si AP, CNPF, at Nickel and SCC. Yan po yung ating special report kanina. So, unahin po natin ngayon si AP. Aboitiz Power is may positive bounce po siya today, pero bearish pa rin po ang lagay ng kanyang chart, ano? And nasa support area na po siya. Ito po yung support area. Yan, nasa 32.20, 30.75 po yung, or 30.20, Pero nasa 30.75 pa po yung kanyang presyo. So, support area na rin po yan. And the next lower support is here at 28.63. At mapapansin nyo po ay oversold na po ang Aboitiz Power. So, next we have CNPF. May bounce kaya to? Nagkaroon siya ng breakout. Breakout po ito. There's a first breakout here. Ito po. Nangyari po siya dito. Yan po yung first breakout. Pagkatapos siya ay nag-consolidate. At ngayon, yung second breakout ay nangyari po dito. Meron pong volume kasi. Pagka ang increase niya is greater in the past 2 weeks or the highest in the past 2 weeks and there is an above average volume, that's what you call a breakout. So 4.83% up and volume is above average. Overbought na po ang stock and the overbought is here and the overbought level started in September 4 and up to now it is overbought. So, may news kaya ito? Press release. Tignan natin to. Hindi nyo lang po ito nakikita, no? Ako lang po nakakita. Century Unmeet Ventures Down Under via Woolworths releases new innovations. Ito yung tungkol sa unmeet products sa Australia, I would suppose. Down Under, The company sees favorable prospects in the category. In Australia, plant-based food consumption is on the rise. Yan po. Okay, so yan po ang CNPF at tingnan natin. Let's see if we can find the support and resistance. Tingnan natin to. 1 week chart. Let's do 1 week chart. Mukhang new high po ito. So, hindi ko po makita yung pinaka dulo So napakalayo. This is an all-time high since May 2014. This is the highest, ano? So 3060 po ang pinakamataas and hindi po natin makita yung pinaka-resistance dahil this is the highest level. Pero ang pinaka-support niya, ang dating resistance niya nasa 28 or 29. Almost 29. 29 pesos po ang pinaka-support. Yan po yung dating resistance niya. Nickel naman. Si nickel, bearish po si nickel. Although, it has good prospects. Ito po kasi, reaffirm buys on SCC and nickel. At meron po siyang additional dito. Nickel Asia, 740 ang target price based on DCF. Discounted methodology to using free cash flows, discounted cash flows based on the mine's life of nickel's 5 operating mines and factor of 10% stake in Taganito HPAL and 15.6% stake in Coral Bay and WACC of 10.5%. So, maliit na lang po yung upside niya. And right now, kung titingnan po natin si nickel among the mining listing ni BDO SEC, mataas pa rin. 516 kasi siya dito. 520 ngayon. No? So, maliit lang yung diferensya. But, the upside is 43.4%. 740. Okay, so yan po si nickel. Nasa support, well, moving sideways po siya, actually. And if you will be drawing this area here, ito po yung short-term support and resistance with support here at 504 and resistance at 533. Si SCC naman, nakita naman natin to kahapon. Yan, paakyat pa rin siya. And it has been moving up since this part here, August 20, or yes, no, July 20. Yeah. Ito yung parallel channel na na-draw ko po kahapon. Yan po, more or less, ano? So, ang pinaka-support niya, tingnan natin. Nandito po sa 33 and resistance at 35. And yung prospect po niya ay Semirara Mining and Power. Our target price of 37 pesos is derived using the sum of the parts. Discounted cash flow methodology. We value the coal segment through the DCF with a WACC of 9% from 2023 until the end of the operating contract using long-term price assumptions of $78 per ton. For the power segment, we value it using a 5-year DCF with a 9% WACC and a terminal value assuming sustained growth at 2%. Yan po. So SEC is moving upwards, and right now nasa 35.25, and ano ba yung increase niya from this point to this point? Ito po, tingnan natin. Yan. So from July 20 up to September 20, 2 months po ito, nagkaroon po siya ng 27.13 increase on the price, and it's currently overbought right now. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. At before we end, ang sabi po ni Warren Buffett, do not save what is left after spending, but save what is left after saving. Ito po si Benji Chidoro. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and see you tomorrow.